What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, whatever time you're watching these. So it is the next day now. We are on our way to Crashboat Beach, and it's our day 3.
Yes.
Oh no, day 4. It's either day 3 or day 4, and it's the last day. Monday, so that's tomorrow. We have to head back to Tampa, Florida. So the plan for today is going to the beach, and then we're gonna go again to San Juan. But now we're gonna go, during the day and also do other things. Yesterday we just went there to eat dinner and just see, what was the vibe. But yeah, we're here at the gas station. We're already pumped gas. We're gonna head to the beach now. It's right now 9:23, so that's a good time. Hopefully it's not really packed already, but yeah.
Yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna take you guys. If you guys have seen our past videos, we say that we didn't know we were gonna make it. But we are, and then we're going to El Morro, so stay tuned. Arrived to Crash Boat, one of the most famous beaches here in Puerto Rico.
Yeah. How is it?
It's really good. With this weather, it's really hot. Oh, Cesar haven't said this in the video, but a bird shed on him.
Oh yeah, that was nasty and interesting. I was just sitting there, like flying the drone, and then I don't know where I got some bird poop on my shirt.
So this is our second and final destination of this trip. Finally, we made it to El Morro.
Yeah, so it's actually our second and final destination of the day and also the trip, because we first in the morning we were at the beach, and now we're here. We're gonna see this historic site, and then after that we have to go home and then go to the airport tomorrow morning. So yeah, we'll see what we find and show you guys some clips. Anything else?
No, that's that.
Why?
It's done. Our mission in here has come to an end.
Guys, so we were actually late. So since we are late, we only have 10 minutes to show you whatever we can. The rest, you just have to see it from the outside. And the price was $10. And we only have like 10 minutes.
Per adult.
Yeah, per adults, and children's are free. So it's like explaining how to see the Morro, and this is like the map or whatever. So keep moving this way. How many rooms did she say there was?
Rooms?
Yeah, like.
Oh no, she even said there are 6 floors. Oh, look at this guy.
Yeah, so that's what it looks like on the outside. So this is 6th floor, so we're gonna be able to watch everything. So that was our mistake, guys. But hopefully, you know, you can see a little bit, and then maybe get inspired to come and see it on your own.
Let's go and see if we can take a picture. It's crazy. I didn't know there were 6 floors.
So it goes down. Where do you wanna put the camera?
I thought that we couldn't come inside. I knew that this exists here in Puerto Rico, but I didn't know that you could actually come inside. If we knew about that, we will maybe have come a little bit early, guys.
I think we have to go because security is waiting for us downstairs because we have 1 minute. So again, guys, thank you for watching.
See you guys in Old San Juan Plaza.
Yeah, we're gonna close the video in a little bit. We're gonna walk down there now and then go to Old San Juan again. And yeah, stay tuned. What is going on, guys? So quick update, we are here in a plaza in San Juan.
It's a little dead because it's Sunday. Majority of the stores, they close a little bit early than usual, than Friday or Saturday.
Yep, that's correct. But what I wanted to show you guys is what Leonela made us buy.
I saw on a TikTok.
So it's called Mr. Winnie Waffle. So basically they sell you either men's genitals waffles or women's parts waffles, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's really funny. She got a weenie and then I got a flower.
Yeah.
So
That's how flower, that's how they call it, the woman's
part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys
private
ready?
part.
1, 2, 3. Let me put some flashlight just in case you guys didn't. It says it smells good.
Yes.
So this one is mine. This one is my weenie. There we go. This one, and this one is the flower.
Yeah. So basically, it's a waffle in that shape, and then it brings fruits. You can put kiwi, strawberry, blueberry, or whatever, and then you can also put toppings. We got like what was it? Oreos, chocolate melted chocolate and things like that. But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing right now. And then after that, we're gonna go to. I think it's gonna rain. Oh,
Yeah, I can feel
it's drizzling.
it. I think we
So
should-
after that, then we're going to the I love PR, so I love Puerto Rico sign to take a picture, and then that's it for tonight. We have to go home and pack and get ready. So we're gonna eat
Yeah.
these real quick, and we're gonna catch you later. Alright guys, so it is the next day. We're gonna close the video here, and also we're closing our trip in Puerto Rico. I think it's been amazing. It was the best birthday weekend for us. Again, this was our birthday present for each other, because my birthday is actually today and Leonella's birthday is a few days from today. So I hope that she liked her surprise and she had a good time.
Yes, I like it.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. And also let us know in the comment section below if you want to see a separate video just talking about how we went about coming to Puerto Rico and renting a car and things like that, because we didn't come with like an actual tour, and we didn't come to a resort or a hotel. We stayed at a Airbnb and we rented a car so we can go to our own places, wherever we wanted to go, and be more flexible and more free to do whatever we wanted. So if you want to see more information about that, let us know in the comment section below, and also hit the like button. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching again. Do you want to say anything before we close the video?
No, I was gonna say the same thing that you said. Let us know if you want to see like a separate video, like we did with the one from Colombia. Let us know, and we can say the things that we did, how we did it, and how much it was.
Yeah.
Let us know if you guys want to see that.
But
That will be all.
yeah, that's all. We hope to see you guys on the next video.